Welcome back, guys. I am telling you today how to make a blog. Okay, how to make a blog free. Hmm. This is this keyword highest CPC. Uh, you're watching this keyword ad Google Ads. Okay, top 10 platforms. First of all, Blogger, blogspot.com, wix.com, wordpress.com. Okay, I am using Blogger, blogspot.com, Blogger. Okay, open it. Yeah, this website very impressive. Okay, updating. Very good. Good looking interface. Very good. Beautiful. Okay. Suggest a name. I am making a picture blog, for example. Okay. And let's see. I'm typing beautiful wallpapers 2022. Okay, I am trying this keyword. Hmm. Blog address. Okay, finally blog address. He saved its main. Okay, creating my blog. Hmm. Okay, first of all, my first post. Okay, wallpapers HD. Free sourcing websites, and this link. Okay, now this is paid. Okay, again paid. Okay, this option images, tools. Okay, user creative. Okay, this one, I think this is free. Yeah, it's free. Okay, save, open file.